Welcome back, welcome back. It's amazing to be in the kitchen one more time again with Chef Ricardo cooking up your favorite dishes. You know what happened? I have some pasta and I've been getting the recipe over the last couple of days about making this pasta, this jerk pasta with the vegetable mixed up inside of it with some broccoli and carrot and some sweet corn. We're gonna add a little more extra season towards it, guys, just to bring in more flavor, more tastes. But the beauty behind the scene is the jerk sauce, which is gonna make it different. That's why we're calling it a jerk vegetable pasta. Hopefully you guys will like the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Get a copy of my cooking book, which is coming up, which is out already, and the book is going on really well. So guys, hopefully you guys will enjoy the recipe. Subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. Thank you so much. Visit my blog at chefricardocooking.com. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. So basically guys, as you can see, this is all of my ingredients right over here. Right here I'm using to be honest with you guys, this is a some packed frozen vegetable which I did have left over. I roughly say this is about a cup of it, which is just broccoli and some carrot and sweet corn mixed together. Roughly I add cups of pasta. This is a twist pasta, which you can also, if you cook twist pasta at home and a little bit left, remember if it is single pasta or twist pasta, once it's pasta you can also use it, that's fine. Basically what I'm gonna simply say to you, we're just gonna add roughly a tablespoon of vegetable oil, or you can use olive oil. What we need to do is just to add a simple little bit more veg towards the pasta, the jerk pasta and the jerk veg. So basically I'm just gonna simple cut up my veg, not too chunky but a little bit very small, and I'm gonna start to put them inside of it that they can start to fry. I got my pot right at the moment on a medium sized heat, and I know you guys can do this at home, so don't worry yourself. Just be careful when you're using your knife. Be safety. Don't do what I'm doing. Please get a smaller knife and use it. Lovely. So right over here, as you can see, I start to cut up my veg. That is some mixed pepper I'm using. I'm just using a little piece of each mixed pepper because the pepper will give it a nice color and a nice look. And I'm not cutting up them too big, just a medium size at the moment. Right over here I have some white onion, and I'm just gonna simply just put a little piece of a white onion, not too much. Lovely and nice. Right here I have some spring onion. So I'm just gonna use the top part of my spring onion. Nice one. Beautiful, you can smell the scent already. So I'll take it up a little bit. Looking so lovely inside of the pot so far. As you can see, exactly what's going on right here. I got a medium-sized tomato. I might just pop this inside of it. Cut it up very small. It's easy to be fried also. Lovely and nice. So guys, as you can see, looking lovely, freshly, and I look, to be honest, when I'm cooking I'm always using a lot of veg, because the reason why veg is good for you and veg helps to balance your diet. So right here, as you can see, that's the veg we are so taking off at the moment, roughly about 3 to 4 minutes. You don't need to overcook it and make it soft and mash away. Then we're gonna add our sweet corn, broccoli and carrot. Nice one. Then we're gonna add our pasta. As you can see, looking so colorful so far inside of the pot. And you don't need to, because the veg is already pre-cooked, so you don't need to overcook it too much inside of the frying pan right here. Basically, if you do make some broccoli and carrot sweet corn mixed together and have a little bit left over, you can do this at home. Then basically we're gonna have the jerk seasoning, which makes the difference. As I always say, it's gonna come a time when you guys, we're gonna tell you where we get this kind of season. Hopefully in the future it will happen. This is one of the best jerk season I ever used in my whole entire life, and I love it. So right here I'm just putting just a little teaspoon. And the beauty with the jerk season, not too salt, not too spicy, it's just the right temperature for you guys. So it's just amazing. And to be honest, you don't need to add anything else inside of this more than probably I would just simply add a little bit of, to be honest, just a little bit of paprika. To be honest, if you want to add a little bit of soy sauce, you can also add the soy sauce. But as you can see over here, guys, look at the color, look at the, it's just amazing. It's just amazing. And a lot of people have been asking me for this recipe over the last few weeks, how to make some, because I did a jerk pasta before. Someone written and said, can you make some jerk vegetable and pasta? And I say, you know, I will definitely do it. So here it comes now, guys. Hopefully you will love the recipe. And I've been cooking off this over the last 5 to 6 minutes now. Lovely and nice. Basically, you don't need to, as I said before, you don't need to overcook your veg, everything, because everything is already cooked. And then the beauty, if you want to take this to work, you can also put it in a nice container, bring it to work and share it with your manager, your friend, your co-worker. Tell them that you saw Chef Ricardo was making it and they say I have to make this at home. Visit my website, chefricardocooking.com. Now I'm going to turn off this because this is finished now, guys. Looking lovely and nice. So basically, if you're at home and then you want to share this, this is the best way to share it. Put it into a nice, lovely container like this. And I want to say, you can have this when it's also cold. You can have it hot and you can have it cold. Look at that, guys. That is beautiful. So nice and lovely. So as you can see, this is exactly what I'm talking about. That's really fantastic and nice. So hopefully you will enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. It didn't take long to prepare, as you can see. Quick, done and dusted. Even this bowl, you could just bring it to work if you have a nice lovely container at home and you don't want to go to work and buy any junk food. This is where it come in handy. And the vegetables do help you to balance your diet, and vegetable is good for you. As you can see, I just put a pinch of the jerk seasoning inside of it, not to make it spicy and too hot, that you can enjoy. All you need is a bottle of water and you will love this recipe. So guys, enjoy the jerk vegetable and pasta mixed together. Is a nice lovely recipe. I know the time is getting hot, but you know what I mean, this is good. And a lot of people don't know that hot sauce and hot pepper do help fight against cancer. I heard that a couple of years ago and I always remember, and I always hear people talk about that. So guys, you don't have to have it all the time. You can have a piece of a scotch bonnet pepper in your food, or if you're making some jerk chicken on the back grill, you know what I mean, it's good for you. So there's just tips and ideas and ways how you can make dishes at home and do stuff. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel.